all the things that I saw. 5. Wait, no. 10. 9, 8, 7, 8, 5, 4, 3, 4. You're done. Did you do it or just not? Oh, did you down below? Now, this is you? But you just gotta, it's hard. And then it start getting hard, there's more glue. But it's not gonna be hard. It's just, this is like cloud butter slime, to be honest, cause this, no, put that back, it's not yours. Okay? So I'll just do this, and I'll just go first, like that, and this is how it looks. And that looks like toothpaste right there. Toothpaste? Really does. And I'm about to. Okay, guys. The reason how I made this buttery, because it's edible. See? 1, 2, 3. Ah, I'm scared. That's just said she made this, and she said it's edible. I'm not tried it yet. So. I need to be able to tell. So, it's a prank. It is not edible. And why would I ever eat slime, even if my sister made it? We do eat every slime. Yeah, you never eat slime alone. It's edible, and you know it. We don't eat. Do this. Do that? Hold up, I messed up. Me do it. You do it. Hold up. You watched them too? Come on. Wanna try? You gotta blow. Blow. That was no crunch. But it's alright. You try. You go. Blow on that. You already did. Come do it. Did you make this? Did you make that? Yes, it was terrible. Oh. I'll show you guys. This is butter slime. Butter slime. This is not the only slime I have, but I have many more slimes. I can make show you all the slimes, but I'm never pinning it into a slushie. No, I'm never. I have a lot of butter slimes, to be honest. Because all the ingredients I use in the system. I have all. And I have more ingredients that I showed you when I said that laundry detergent and this glue. I really have more ingredients. Like I can show you. So. Okay. So yeah. So I'm just gonna show you. I guess I can show you a little bit of my routine. How I make slime. You get it, Bo? I'm not showing you. I'm telling you. Oh, you heard that? I'll do it for you guys again. And use Maya.
And you.
Don't you use Maya?
You talking to me?
Don't you just love the crunch? It just makes you want to do that all day.
Oh.
This can stretch really far. Yesterday, it was just thebomb.com. You better be careful before you break